Have you ever felt hesitant to try something new? Wondering if you should just take the plunge and go for it? Today, we're going to explore this common English idiom and how it can improve your communication skills. Imagine this: your friend invites you to go skydiving. You're excited, but also a little nervous. So, you tell them, "I don't know, I'm not sure I'm ready to take the plunge." But what if your friend thought you meant you were going to literally jump into a body of water? That would be quite a misunderstanding, wouldn't it? The idiom "take the plunge" actually means to make a bold or daring decision, not to literally jump into water. Now, let's see how the idiom is used correctly. Imagine your friend has been hesitating to apply for a new job. You encourage them, saying, "It's a great opportunity. You should just take the plunge and apply." In this case, taking the plunge means making the decision to apply for the job, despite any fears or doubts. It's about overcoming hesitation and embracing a new challenge. Let's look at some more examples of how to use "take the plunge" in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "I'm thinking of taking the plunge and buying a new car." In a formal setting, the company has decided to take the plunge and expand into a new market. In a negative context, "I'm scared to take the plunge and ask for a raise." In a humorous context, "She took the plunge and dyed her hair bright blue, much to her mother's dismay." In a literary context, the protagonist took the plunge and embarked on a journey of self-discovery. In a business setting, the CEO decided to take the plunge and invest in a new technology. On social media, "I finally took the plunge and started my own online business." To help you remember the meaning of "take the plunge," think of someone diving into a pool or the ocean. The act of taking the plunge is a bold, daring decision, just like the physical act of jumping into the water. The idiom "take the plunge" emerged in the 19th century, reflecting a growing fascination with risk-taking and personal challenges. Over time, it has evolved to represent any bold or daring decision, reflecting the cultural value of courage and risk-taking. Some similar idioms include "dive in," "go for it," and "take the leap." Opposite idioms would be "play it safe" or "hold back." Related idioms include "take the bull by the horns" and "step out of your comfort zone." "I finally took the plunge and started my own business." "I decided to start my own business." "I recently heard a story about a friend who had been hesitating to ask their boss for a promotion. After some encouragement from their colleagues, they finally took the plunge and had a conversation with their boss. To their delight, the boss was impressed by their initiative and granted the promotion." One common mistake when using "take the plunge" is to say, "I'm going to take a plunge." This is incorrect, as the idiom is "take the plunge," not a plunge. Another mistake is to use "take the plunge" when the situation doesn't involve a bold or daring decision. For example, saying "I took the plunge and had a sandwich for lunch" would be inappropriate. Alright, let's test your understanding of "take the plunge." 1. What is the meaning of the idiom "take the plunge"? A. To jump into a body of water. B. To make a bold or daring decision. C. To go skydiving. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with "take the plunge"? A. Play it safe. B. Go for it. C. Hold back. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of these expressions is the opposite of "take the plunge"? A. Dive in. B. Step out of your comfort zone. C. Play it safe. Correct answer, C. In summary, "take the plunge" is a versatile idiom that can help you express bold, daring decisions in a variety of contexts. By understanding its meaning and proper usage, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and confidently. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using the idiom "take the plunge" in the comments below. Did you learn something new about this idiom today? Let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.